Imagine a world where every transaction you make is transparent, secure, and decentralized. This isn't a far-fetched dream, it's a reality with blockchain technology. But what exactly is blockchain, and why is it such a game changer in today's digital landscape? Now think about learning to use this revolutionary technology. It can be overwhelming at first, right? Fear not. Here are 5 tips to make your blockchain journey smoother and more impactful. Firstly, understand the basics. Blockchain is not just about Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. It's a distributed ledger technology that records transactions across multiple computers to ensure transparency and security. Don't get caught up in the hype around cryptocurrency. Instead, focus on understanding the underlying technology. Secondly, familiarize yourself with the terminology. Words like decentralization, hashing, nodes, and consensus algorithms are fundamental to grasping the mechanics of blockchain. Understanding these terms will help you navigate the blockchain landscape with ease. Thirdly, get hands-on experience. Nothing beats practical knowledge. Start by setting up a digital wallet, buying a small amount of cryptocurrency, or using a blockchain-based application. This hands-on exposure will help you understand how blockchain operates in real-world scenarios. Fourthly, follow blockchain news and updates. Blockchain is a fast-evolving technology, with new developments emerging almost daily. Stay updated by following top blockchain news sources, blogs, forums, and social media platforms. This will help you stay on top of trends and discussions in the blockchain community. Lastly, join a blockchain community. Being part of a group of like-minded individuals can be a great source of support and learning. These communities often host educational events, discussions, and provide opportunities for networking. In summary, the journey into blockchain can be made simpler by understanding the basics, familiarizing yourself with the terminology, getting hands-on experience, staying updated with the latest news, and joining a blockchain community. Blockchain is more than a technology. It's a new way of thinking about transparency, security, and decentralization. It's an exciting journey of discovery and learning. So set your fears aside and dive into the fascinating world of blockchain.